Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you how you can download the entire list of your buyer and supplier which is added on Transact along with their addresses and other details. So first of all, what we need to do, you need to go to reports and intelligence module, from where please click on all modules. Then you need to go to reports and intelligence module. Now, once you will come in report and intelligence module, please check here is the segment. So you can do one thing on your right hand side, very top corner, there is a search icon. Here you can go ahead and search for that particular report. So if I will simply just go ahead and type COU, it will provide me a counterparty details report. With this report, you can download the entire list and details of your counterparty. How? Click on generate report. Then you can select are they buyer, supplier, or selected, or both, or all. Now, what is in the details? Here is the main data, all billing address, all delivery location, and all users. So specifically, these segments are curated as per your requirement. So suppose if you want just the billing address, you can select it, just the delivery location, you can select it, just the all users, you can select it. If you want the main data, select the main data, and then after simply just go ahead and generate report. Once I will generate report, please check these are the details of my counterparty or buyer or supplier which I have added in my transact. You can select the column as per your requirement and specific details will come to you. Now here on your right hand side, very top corner, you will see an option of download. With this, you can download this particular report in Excel. I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and generate the counterparty details report. Have a good day ahead.